Hello everyone, welcome back to GOS ERP. Today I'll be taking you through how to set up inventory item under inventory management. Click on inventory management, click on set up, click on inventory item. At the top right corner, the first button is your upload button, and this is used to upload multiple inventory item at a time. The next is the download to download the templates in an Excel format with the correct headings. After downloading the templates, you fill the template with the right info inventory item. You then save under your documents, then go to choose file to select the file that you have saved, then click on upload to upload. The next button is the plus button, and this is used to add the inventory item. You enter the name, the lead time, the category, the unit measure, the expense GL, the code, the enabling tracking, unit measure, asset GL, then click on save. The next is delete button. To delete an inventory item, you simply click on the checkbox, then click on delete. And the next is to search for an inventory item that you have saved. You simply type the name of the inventory item in the search box, and this will automatically pop up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found this tutorial very helpful. See you in our next video.